Good morning, Taurus. I'm going to do a quick reading, one from the Good Tarot, not 15. Greedy are we? One from the Good Tarot for Taurus. And then one from the Intuit Oracle. Don't be greedy, Earth signs. I'm going to cut these. I'm going to pull one. Ten of Swords. I feel like you are caught up in your thoughts. That's what I feel like this morning. Taurus, you are a thinker. That's for sure. I've known some Tauruses. I completely get it. I'm a Libra, so there you go. Air signs. Maybe you're dealing with an air sign. Writer. Messenger, movement, message, travel, news, visitor, delivery, goals, green light, progress. I get the messenger part of this loudest. Unspoken thoughts. You know, Taurus, we sit on the fence and we sit on the fence and we sit on the fence, and you know, eventually the fence just disintegrates and we're still sitting in the same spot even if we're not on the fence. So, you know, I don't know what to tell you, friend. Something about thank you for being a friend. I got a chill. That air sign was important to you. Maybe she still is. Good luck.